Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your SUI wallet. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I drop more interesting video like this, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, once you come here, you are going to click on connect your SUI wallet. Make sure that you have downloaded your SUI wallet and create an account. I've already made a video about how to create your SUI wallet app. I've already made a video about that, so go and watch that video. So guys, once you come here, you are going to click on connect your SUI wallet and it's going to take you to their website. So guys, once you come here, you are going to click on connect with Telegram. You can see it, you click on it and it's going to take you to this interface. Then you click on start. Once you click on start, then you click on login. Once you click on login, you can see that you have successfully authorized. So you will go back to the website and you are going to see your details. Here you can see all of my details have appeared here. So guys, the next thing is you are going to connect your SUI wallet. So guys, I'm going to show you something before we go ahead and connect our SUI wallet. So guys, you are going to click on this icon here. Once you click on this icon, then you are going to copy this address and go to your SUI wallet. So guys, once you come here to your SUI wallet, you are going to click on dApps. Then you are going to click on the search bar and you are going to paste this address. Once you paste this address, it's going to take you to this interface. Then you are going to click on login with Telegram. You can see it here. You are going to click on it and it's going to take you back to your Telegram. So here you click on Telegram and then you are going to click on just once. So guys, once you click on just once, it's going to take you back to Telegram. Then you click on login and you are going to see that you have successfully authorized. So you go back to your SUI wallet and you are going to see your details. So you click on connect SUI wallet. So guys, before I continue, if you have multiple accounts, let me know in the comment section so that I can make another separate video on how you can connect this different account to different address. So guys, let me know in the comment section so that I can make another separate video. So guys, once you come here, you are going to click on connect. Once you click on connect, then you click on confirm SUI wallet. Once you click on confirm SUI wallet, then you are going to sign in. So here you click on sign in and it's going to sign in. That means you have automatically connect your SUI wallet. So guys, like I said, you cannot connect different account to one address. They are going to disqualify you. If you connect different account to one address, they are going to disqualify you. So guys, here you can see that is similar to Seed Airdrop. Seed, they brought in Solana and Seed, they bring in SUI wallet. They are going to list their token under SUI blockchain. So guys, once you come here, you can see that I've successfully connected both my SUI wallet and my Ton wallet. So I will go back to my Telegram and confirm whether I have connected my SUI wallet. So I will go back to my Telegram and log in to my Seed account and then boom, here you can see that I have successfully connect my SUI wallet. Don't connect your Seed account to OKX wallet or any wallet apart from SUI wallet. So guys, you are going to withdraw your token to your preferred exchanges once the exchange option opens.